Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2022 Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, a Bose sound system. This Trail Boss has heated seats and a heated steering wheel with Bluetooth, cruise control, nicely appointed. This Trail Boss has the 6.2 liter paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. The rear passenger compartment has seating for 3, also has a couple of USB ports, and this truck has the heavy-duty Silverado molded floor mats. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2022 Silverado Trail Boss 6.2 liter, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.